Good evening, everyone. I want to tell you a story about Abraham. So let's get started. Once upon a time, there is one man named Abraham. And Abraham, he has a wife and a nephew. One day, God came and told Abraham that to go to a rich land. So they went to the rich land. When they get there, there's a little bit of space for them to live. So Abraham told his nephew, if you go left, I'll go right. If you go right, I'll go left. So Abraham's nephew went right. So Abraham went left. So when they get there, they get to live there. And also, God told him that to live there. So when they live there, they get to have a great day. And so one day, there was just 3 visitors. One of them is God, and one of them is angels. And the other one is an angel. So when Abraham bring them food and milk, Abraham stayed behind the tree. And when they're done eating, they told Abraham that next year they will have a child. When Abraham's wife heard that, she laughed because she could not have a child that old. She's very old and she could not have a child. So the next year, they have a child named Isaac. So about a few months or a few weeks, their son Isaac grew healthy and strong, and he's a perfect man. One day, Abraham was thinking about to let Isaac have a wife. So Abraham told his nephew to go find a perfect wife for Isaac. So when Abraham's nephew go look for a wife, he found a very perfect one for Isaac. When Isaac met his future wife, they got married and they have a child. 2 children. And so, thank you for hearing my story, and make sure you guys have a great day, and make sure to listen to God and believe in God and trust in God. And if you did, He will bless you. So have a great day and do good things. Bye.